guys, we're gonna do a tutorial video first. Wait lang. We're gonna make a tutorial on how to do a back bend. First, we're gonna this. Warm up pa din ako dahil sa ayaw ikaw sa warm up. First, we're gonna do a warm up. Where you like put your hands on your ear. Look at your hands. Then this is how you warm up. You put it like this. And you do this. In your back, like this. Like this, guys. Ouch. Like this. You're gonna reach your yes, you're gonna do that too. You're gonna reach up. Then your next hands. Yeah. Like that. You're gonna stretch your hands. And like this. Wait, can I try something? Sa ano ko you're gonna like have a person like first you're gonna up in the wall. What is it? Kapitid. Okay. They like this. In the wall. First, you're gonna do in the wall. Tani ang bola lang niyo. Yeah, so you're gonna do that in the wall. In here. And you're gonna do in this round. You're gonna kick your back. No, you're gonna push up your hip like this. Like this, guys. You're gonna push up your hips. Excuse me. Excuse me. Like this. You're gonna push it like this. And then gonna look up. Make sure you separate these feet and make it into like this. If you're gonna stand, you're gonna do this. Yes. You make sure you're gonna stand, you're gonna do this. Stretch back and like this. You're gonna do this here. And you're gonna like you're gonna this. You're gonna practice that. If you're a beginner, this is an easy way to do a back bend. We used to do this because we're a beginner. First, you're gonna separate those feet. You're gonna go a V like this. Yes, go V naman ko. Hindi, you're gonna hindi ko nakasaho. Not like that. Like this, you're gonna like this. If you can not do that, the feet, you're gonna like this. You're gonna do this. You're gonna like this and like this. In the 5 seconds. Yeah, guys. And you're gonna do this and backflip them. Make sure you don't like straighten your feet. You need to like do this your feet. So you're sitting. Yeah. Like this. But you're not gonna switch this and this and this. If you gonna your head, you're gonna switch into your feet. You're gonna this. You're gonna walk like this. Wait, can I like try? That's hurt. You're gonna hit it. You cannot do this. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hope this helps. You're gonna like do this and you're gonna subscribe my channel and you're gonna subscribe him. Elisa Bermedo. And we are the annoying sister. But wait, there's a tip here, okay? You will know how to do a back bend in 1 week. Make sure you learn this as always. I know you like fail and do it because it's kind of scary to be upside down. Here's here's like a tip, another tip. Like, go here. Just this.